Welcome. My name is Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Monday for me. A Sunday for you, Darren, I suggest. Sunday evening. Um, see this yeah, I had daylight saving change, so we came off normal time to daylight saving time on the weekend. So it puts this time a bit different for like everybody else potentially. Anyway, just keeps it the same for me. Um, which I think is, what is it? So it'd probably be whatever it was for you an hour earlier, I would say. Rightio, let's just share here to start with. So welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just note any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only. That's because we're a group of people who have each other and we're not financial advisors. So please only take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. It's a full risk disclosure, bit about us as live session traders there. Uh, okay, stop sharing. How are you, Darren? Does it make it an hour earlier for you? Oh,
Yeah, but that's fine. Yeah, it's no problem, Brian.
well, what time's it for you now?
7 p.m.
Okay, instead of 8. Okay.
Yeah,
They probably muck up with dinner time or something like that, but anyway.
don't worry.
Nah,
I'm
okay.
just sort of cooking in the background here because I'd forgotten. I'd, I'd overlooked that it was your time had changed. But
That's okay.
then
You do it.
obviously, at the end of the month, our clocks go back an hour, so it'll be 6 p.m.
End of your month.
Yeah, end of our
End of,
month.
end of October.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's we go back to
Standard time.
standard time. Yeah, and it's 6 p.m. Which is
Oh,
fine. Don't
okay.
mind that. Don't mind that.
Okay, righty. Yeah, and it'll do the same thing. I don't know when US changes over, but anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah, so everything sort of moved along yesterday. Right, okay. I still haven't taken the Euro stable has still not taken any trades. I do not know what's going on. I'm trying to nut it all out.
Yeah. But if they've started loading the set files now, on the
Oh
website
yeah. Yep.
buttons. So started over the weekend. They said they'll all be on there this
Oh,
week at some point. So that'll make life easier. Um,
that'll save them having to answer questions from a
yeah,
whole
that's
lot of
right.
people.
Um, yeah. I mean, whilst you're on, I'll have a quick look see if they've got the Euro stable one on there yet.
Oh yeah, no, that's okay. Yeah, yeah.
Um, Algo. I keep forgetting what it's called. Algo Trading Space.
Yeah. Cool, they'll go. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Let's see.
Mhm.
Log in.
Well, it looks like we'll have a look at the AUD NZD, but it's pulling back a little bit. I don't know whether
Yeah,
it's
it has come back. Okay, accounts
enough
and
for
set
you.
files. Let's just load in.
Hmm. Yeah, so I'm not sure about, like I've put in whatever the thing is. I just got to work out what's the company again? I can't remember what it was. Is
Yeah,
that?
a lot. Yeah, a lot more have been put on there. They're still not completely done them all, but most. Let's see if the Euro stable's on there because I'll. Uh, 23, 10, 20. God, where is it? Oh, gosh, there's that many of them. In alphabetical order might help. Right. Two, two, three.
Yeah,
Yeah, the Euro stable EA is now there, ready to so I can download that. So before the market's open, I might load that on. I should be able to send it to you, shouldn't I? Through probably through.
yeah.
I can. Um, how can I send it? Discord? Is that the best way to send it?
No, you can
Or
just send it through
send it on
Messenger.
Messenger?
It'll
Would
be
it
only a
work?
small, very small file. So,
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll try and send
but
it on Messenger for you, Brian.
yeah, no, that's great. Thank you.
So,
Oh, they put the prices up to 219 from 199.
what's that for?
Oh, any of those pro robot EAs. I'm just looking at
Mm.
US stable. Um, yeah, yeah.
Bear with me a minute, Brian. I'm
Yeah, you're right.
in
No
a bit.
worries at all. Don't. What is it? Pro Robot EA. Let me just see where. Um, it should be. No? Hmm. Okay. What's it? Pro Robot EA. I don't know where it came in. Hmm. There we go. Trend Trend Pro it comes in as. Okay. Um, hmm.
Yeah, so that's why there's probably a couple of these. I think I'm in trades on a lot of the EAs. So once trades close, I'll start looking at the EA Academy
Yeah.
um, set files.
History data. Oh, wow.
I mean, I don't know if you can see this if you're not a VIP member, but
Hang on. I'll come back to you. Sorry.
yeah, when you look at the results and the track, you look at the track record,
Yeah.
you can see every trade that's been taken as well. I don't know if that's just within the VIP or well, that's for everybody, but that's quite good as well. So
For each one of those EAs?
yeah, on their
Okay.
live accounts and
You
whatever.
can
Yeah,
share if you want to. You can choose. I think you can go if you screen you could share at the bottom. If you want to share your screen, you can.
yeah. Okay. So
It's up to you, Darren. There you go.
yeah,
Oh, there we go. Yep.
so as you can see now, these buttons all green, and so you can now download all the
Right.
step files.
Yeah.
Still a few
It,
which say not applicable, but I'm guessing they'll all.
yeah, they'll have it
Gradually over the
eventually.
weekend, these have been populated.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
so anything is it? We look at
Proctus, FX stable. Yeah.
Euro stable. Let's
Yeah, that was Euro stable further down
yeah.
there. Yeah, Euro stable blackball, that one
I think I've got to scroll to the bottom to then do that.
there.
Doesn't seem to be fitting the screen.
No, you can
Right.
go if you go to your see the three dots at the top right hand side of your screen.
Yeah.
If you change your zoom to I think it's plus, but anyway, I think you gotta do plus. There you go. Whoop. Yeah, you don't need much. Oh, it's minus. Okay. Oh no.
Yeah. That's a bit better. Yeah. No, you're right. So Euro stable. So
Oh, there is one.
click on that. There's the set file. There it is. Just download it from there. So
Right.
um, which I will do.
That's interesting. Okay.
And then click on track record.
Ah, right.
Um,
That's good.
let's check. Actually, looking at that, it does look
It
like it's
just
been
says flat as flat.
flat for a while. When was that? Since
Mm,
22nd of August?
yeah.
That doesn't sound right, does it? I suggest it's been flat for quite a while, and then it's
No, a month. For a month.
a month with no trades. That doesn't seem right. I mean, mine's had trades. But on their set
Hmm,
file, that would suggest it hasn't. Um,
maybe.
click on stats. Um, you can so can't remember where now. You can get a list of every. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, there we go.
Uh,
Oh,
Bear with
yeah.
me. Somebody knocking at the door, Brian.
Oh, you're
Sorry.
right. No worries at all. No worries at all.
Just give me two. Sorry about
You're right. No problems. Easy.
that. No, 126. Yeah, no problem. Sorry about that, Brian. Am I still screen sharing you?
Yes, yes.
Um, where do I? Um,
No, you had it there. You had open closed positions just before.
yeah, didn't I?
Um,
Yes, I did.
analysis. Yeah, there we go.
So if I sort of go, I don't know. Let's just put June in there. So let's see what happens.
Yeah, they're all trades there.
Yeah.
66666.
What
What?
are all these then?
24th, 19th. They're all the price, and they're the wins and the losses on the right.
Why these are all?
Well, they might have opened them, but not, but
Yeah, possibly.
there's actually quite a few trades, isn't it?
Yeah.
30th, that was for the month, and
So there must
that's
have been that.
July
That must have been recovery. That must have been.
losses there.
Yeah, but they've recovered by these, haven't they? So I
Yeah,
suspect that's the grid kicking in there.
yeah,
Um,
yeah, that's okay. Oh, well,
yeah,
it takes quite a few trades. There's buys and sells in there, so
yeah,
that's okay. I've just got to work out. I'll have to email them and find out what's going on
yeah.
because it's just
Well,
like,
it looks like it's been a bit flat for a while. Looking at that. So
yeah,
yeah,
but that's okay. That's all right. All
Um,
right. So if you can, yeah, I'll have a look at that then and see.
but I've sort of been, I've got the dark gold,
Oh
just
yeah,
still haven't done anything with it. But I think I'm just waiting for the AUD to
yeah,
close so I
yeah,
can unlock some funds. But I was looking at the track record on the dark gold and with the set file. That's a nice,
yeah,
smooth, balanced line,
yeah. I
as
know,
yeah,
I
as they
know.
would say. Um, um, just, so that's again plenty of wins there.
Yeah,
Um,
maybe all. Yeah. Oh, there's a few. There's a few
Point oh
cells in
0.02 lot
there.
size, the occasional 0.04, but mainly 0.02, 0.04,
Yeah.
0.04. So if there is some sort of grid, it's
Hmm.
not, it doesn't look as though it's been getting into much in the way of drawdown. It looks like it just opens another position and then, so I'm assuming that's some sort of recovery position there
Yeah.
to cover that loss. But it's not very often, is it? 0.02,
No.
0.04. So I think that's my next one. I think to go live with because I've already it's the one I bought quite a while ago, if you remember, just before the
Yeah. Before they price rised it.
yeah, and just haven't done anything with it. So
Hmm. Hmm.
yeah, so yeah, so
Oh, that's interesting. Okay, no worries. All right.
uh,
Well, we might have a look at these pairs. I mean, the other two that are the Infinity has been trading well,
yeah,
and I can't remember what they're called. Um,
Euro stable,
uh,
Eternal FX Eternal,
Eternal, Eternal. That's
yeah,
right. Thank you.
yeah, which doesn't feature anywhere on here, so
All right.
they're not running at all FX Eternal.
No, but isn't Eternals was separate? Was it separate? No, no, they had it listed in there.
Well, it was
They
on
had it.
their website to purchase, wasn't it?
Yeah,
On the
yeah, 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 yeah.
website. I
Yeah,
might
but it's
put
not.
something.
But it's not there currently, though. I don't think.
No, I might put something in the Discord channel and say, look, I've been running it for about 5 months, minimal drawdown, medium settings, just see if anybody else is
Yeah. Okay.
doing anything with it.
Yeah.
But yeah, unless they've had unless it's sort of crashed and burned before I started running it or something. I don't know.
Oh, I don't know. That seems weird, though.
Yeah,
Maybe they're just not being paid by the creator. It's just, I think it's a
yeah,
single. It
maybe.
was a single one on its own. It wasn't like
Yeah,
a stable of EAs from the
yeah.
one place. I
I mean,
got
this
my
is
sis. Yeah.
sorry that this FX stabilizer seems to be one that they're all quite excited about at the minute.
Yeah. There's fair few.
18%, 127 days, 15%, 71 days.
Hmm.
So they do seem to be quite bigging that one up at the minute. And I see they're
As
running it on.
that trades Euro USD as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, they're also
Okay.
running it on different pairs: CCHF, JPY, Euro,
Oh,
JPY,
and UJ. Oh,
UJ as well.
that's the one. What? Which one were you? Are you trading the UJ? You
Oh,
just
that's gosh, that's Wall Street.
Wall Street Recovery. Yeah, yeah,
Um,
yeah,
I'm on Wall Street Recovery Pro,
yeah,
but I'm running it on UJ.
yeah. I don't know what they're running it on. It doesn't tell you the currency, does it?
If I look on, what's that say?
Oh,
Analysis.
it probably will.
Oh, there we go,
Yeah.
UJ.
Yeah, UJ. Yeah,
Pretty consistent.
yeah.
One tiny loss there. Sells and buys.
point
The odd
zero
ones.
ones, 0.05 there.
Well, there we go. Took a bit of a. Ah, now I remember him talking about that one. They got stung with a massive sort of swap feed on that one because they were in. It was the trade was running for quite a long time.
Right,
I do remember him talking about that.
right,
I think it was opened. That'll be 10th of December, closed 27th of January.
right. Yeah, 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 yeah. For a month or
So,
more.
so I think it's quite expensive in terms of swap fees. I thought it looks like another one.
Yeah,
Oh no, not quite as bad. Well, that was, oh, mind you, it was minus pips, so it was a losing trade, wasn't it?
yeah. But then they recovered up like, well, there's a lot of recovery needed.
So I don't know if you get all that information if you're not the VIP. I mean, have a look yourself. Maybe you can,
Yeah,
maybe
yeah,
get the
yeah.
same stats, but um, just need to let's just go check something again. That knock on the door, by the way, that was somebody parcel it with the wrong address anyway. So number 130 is no, it's 126. This one. So,
Just see live trading. Let me see what it allows me to do. Track record. So stabilizer pro. Let's have a look. Yeah, I can get into all the track record stuff. Yeah, yeah, that's all. Yeah, yeah, I can get into all of that. Track record stuff's all there. The only thing I can't get into is I can't download anything, any set files, but I can look at all the rest of it. Which, yeah, okay. Stabilizer Pro. Okay. What's their top performer? FOREX Gold Investor. Okay. Anyway, rightio, let's do this. Okay. Let me just I'll have to email the thing, but just let me just share now for currency pairs and we'll just whip through them, see where you're at with your one with anyway, this is the setup that now Tom is doing. So we'll just see. And it's really interesting. He's got this. I don't know. Did I don't, you weren't on, were you? Oh, you were in the car, I think, when we're doing this. It's like he's got like whatever the high to low with the fib, that's like coming back up like where that is now, but that's there. And he's got like a 75-25. So it's this is in the middle. You don't take a trade necessarily in the middle, but if it's coming out of there or up from there, then you're looking at a potential trade, which is an interesting uh, perspective on this. And if you've got a gold indicator change, anyway. Uh, so that's a AUD CAD, which really in effect it looks like it was coming down towards here, and it's got a 3 monthly market, and then he's got this sort of New York open and close that it tends to come back to, like it did there, and then up, and then just whatever. So yeah, interesting sort of perspective he's got now of taking trades from within this sort of fib setting. But this, oh, no, there. But he was sort of like going, well, I think we were playing with it at the time, saying that, this would potentially go here, and then that would be your stop loss and TPs, all that sort of stuff over here. But anyway, now it looks like that's potentially selling, but we're just gonna wait and see on it. All right, AUD similar sort of setup. You got the high-low um, fib thing, right? And it's just sitting in this middle, so you wouldn't take any trade in relation to that. AUD same. He's got like, okay, high, we're low there. Um, I mean, you could go here because it looks like it's pushing back up, and I think that's what he said. So you would go then, you'd put your pib there off the bottom of that gold because it's starting to go back up again, right? And that would be your high. So that's your new low. So it's coming out of the 25 going up. So whether it would come up and break the top, um, so whether you'd take that trade now or not. But basically it's slightly lower, but that's the open there, and there's the 3 month there. So potentially 1, 2, it'll create another candle. Like from my perspective, you sort of have every time it sort of turns with this gold indicator, you have a minimum. See, 1, 2, 3. There's like a 3 brick minimum. So if it's going back up now, you'll have 1, 2, you should have another brick
Yeah.
before it'll either continue or turn back.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's just and it's to keep you out of like all these little up and down trades, and it's
Yeah.
more of a trend trading sort of method. AUD NZD, see that's coming now. That was a low there to a high there. Actually, that high needs to come up there now. So now it's sort of in that sort of 0 to 25% sort of range. It's saying it's going to drop down further. That's what the the pivot indicator is saying. Whether it does or not, it could be could be.
Hopefully it does. Another sort of similar distance to that sell-off would see me through back to it would
Back to
clear that
profit.
drawdown. It's about half. The drawdown was reduced by about half
Well, it doesn't need to go that much further then, does it?
yeah. Yeah.
Down here somewhere. But we'll see. It looks like, with this wick, it might like to see how it goes. But it may do this sort of push down back up a bit, but not break the high, then back down again up. It could be doing this sort of bit of a zigzag back down again. See. All right, AUD Singapore. You see that's come up here, just up to the 25. So we've got high low now. 1, 2, you'll probably get another one candle at least. Well, sorry, one brick before it turns. It tends to be, you can see here 1, 2, 3. It does 3, and then you'll potentially change. Um, from a gold indicator. Here though, you can go up, down, up, down, up. Once you get the gold indicator, it tends to go at least 3, if that makes any sense. So yeah, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Um, 1, 2, 3. Then it pulls back up and back down. It tends to be 3 bricks normally as the minimum in a move in a sort of a pullback situation. Okay, so that's sort of not you might take that trade if it's going to come down and break down here. So it's coming out of the 25, so maybe a good time to take the trade, 1, 2, 3, and it comes down to here, that would be all right.
Yeah.
AUD USD. Now that's one that when it came out of here and it changed color on the trend line, that would have been a good trade,
Yeah.
right? 1, 2, 3. It's come up to here. Now it could pull back, but this is saying it's going to potentially go up and break the high. So just, this is how he had, and I think it's really good. Um,
Yeah.
and you just keep adjusting it as it goes along and just keeping the trades. All right, CAD CHF. Now this one's come out of now it's not a confirmed brick, but that's prices down there. So just
What does
depends.
the
It's
red?
still
What does the red colour signify there?
this.
Yeah.
This is where prices push down, but it hasn't quite pushed enough
Mm.
to to complete a price range
Yeah.
to confirm that brick.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So each one of those bricks is a price move in one
Yeah.
direction for
Yeah.
that whatever. It doesn't matter. It can be any time thing. It's not a time thing. It's actually a price thing. Because so you can see price pushed back up here, but then it came back down and it finished off down here. So that brick then is completed. It did the same thing there, pushed back up and back down. You can see it over here. See where it pushed up and then back down, then pushed up and then back down. That's and see where prices come down here on this daily thing. But here, when the market closed, it hadn't pushed down enough in price range to have a completed candle.
Yeah.
So the market could open when it opens today, and it could suck back up again and not
Yeah.
or slightly push down, finish that candle, and then start pushing back up a bit. It just depends. All right. CAD JPY. Now you keep follow. So you've got this is how he's got it. Think so. You come from the most recent high, this one here, and price went down. So sorry, you keep following it down, right? And that becomes the swing low at the moment because price is above. Now that's price has come up. That's green because it's above the current completed brick. But and sort of then you've got this open close in New York and you've got the 3 months there. So it seems to be a bit of a magnet towards that area. So we might get a gold indicator here if it pushes up. But that's at the 20. So I don't know. We'll just see how that happens when it opens and the market opens up and does its thing. I mean, it's saying it's going to keep selling, but um, it might just do a pullback before it does. All right, CHF JPY. You can see where that's come out of the 20. This would be worth getting into a buy on that because, or nearly anyway, you haven't quite got a change in color on the trend bar, but it's come up past that 75 or 25, whichever way you want to look at the fib. It created a gold. That's 1, 2. You got to get this is, I'm sure that, well, I'm pretty certain this will be a completed brick here. Yeah. And then whether it continues up or not. I mean, it's saying it was going to go down further, but this can change. All right. Where on the daily it's saying, yeah, it's going to buy up. Right. In the Euro space, Euro AUD. You got a high low. So now this becomes a low. So we move this up here. You get 1, 2, we'll probably get another brick. It could change to blue. But ultimately it's sort of more about a sellout, I think, on the Euro AED. Okay, Euro CAD. Yeah, I don't know why he didn't want to put it back up there. But anyway, some of these sort of forecast lines are really weird at the moment. You can see where price is slightly above there. Just see what happens when the market opens. Euro CHF. Yeah, it's just like 1, 2. We'll probably get another, well, you will. You'll get another break, and then we'll see whether it comes down here or not. But it's in that sort of middle thing. I think Tom's saying, don't play with that. Um, yeah, so if it comes out of that 75 down, we'll just see. All right, Euro GBP, that's turned there. Now it's interesting. This one's interesting because hang on, this puts up a bit. That's about right there. So what you've got is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's changed. Then we've changed back to blue. Now it's going. Price is starting to go back down a bit. So um, if this is not 3, then this gold might disappear, and then we get that sellout again. So, but the Euro GBP will, yeah. I don't know if Tom got into that when it came out of the 25 down. I can't remember. Euro JPY. Now, maybe this needs to come down here now because we've gone from this high down to here. It's created a wick in the bottom. Now it's pushing back up, coming out of that 25 or 75. It might be, I don't know whether he feels it might be worth getting into the trade on that. We'll just see. Euro NZD. See where price is pushing back down now. Coming out of that 25, if that changes the color there, then it'd be worth getting into that trade for a sell. If I remember what Tom said on Thursday, his Wednesday or whatever, because he wasn't on Friday, my Friday. All right, Euro Singapore. That's just sort of playing around here. It's at that sort of, see where it goes 1, 2, 3, and then it start there, 1, 2, 3, then yeah. Euro USD. Oh, they come over there. Oh, that's interesting. We must have put it on there. Now that's not in the right spot. I don't think. Should be up there. All right, so that's Euro USD. Milk price 1, 2, 3, it's come back up again. Yeah, really would have been one to take for the buy. It's now changed color, so it's blue. So just getting used to them. We'll see what happens this week. GBP AUD. See from the high down to the low there. Now it's pulling back up 1, 2. We'll see another candle here maybe. GCAD. The British pound pushing up. That would have been probably out of that 25 would have been a good one to get that trade back up. And potentially it's going to break the top. All right, GBP CHF. That's really not a, 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 that's really not a bit of a non-event that at the moment. GJ was, I think that was one he was in. Yeah, he got into that. I think he was getting into that trade. He had that as the sell. Now it's starting to buy back up again. What's that one? That one's Friday. Yeah, Thursday. So yeah, no, that was a good trade here where it changed there. That was the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, down through there. That would have been quite nice. So where it changed somewhere there down to even here. 180 pips. Beautiful move. All right, GBP NZD. So that's playing around the middle here now. It changed colour there out of the 25 or 75. GBP Singapore. Now that's playing around. What you might do is move that in there. See. And GU. And that was one that Infinity took a number of trades on at the end of the week there.
Yeah.
Some nice positive. I think we're still in trades at the moment with it, aren't we?
Yeah.
Um, just have a look. It's not that one. Uh,
Yeah,
it's in one trade at the moment.
there was a sell opened on Friday.
Yeah,
But I'm still
yeah.
in I'm still in buys from
Really?
19th of September, yeah.
Oh, no,
Obviously
no, no.
before you
Oh,
went
yeah, you
warm then.
had before.
Yeah,
Yeah, well, I was in buys and then it profited out when it pulled back and now in a,
yeah.
sell as
Yeah.
it's
So
pushing up.
I've got four buy positions and one sell position. The four buy positions are drawdown. So I'm
Yeah,
about
okay.
3% in drawdown the account, but I'm about 3% up profit
Yeah, yeah,
wise.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Well, I only started it at the start of last week's, so
yeah,
it's had 1 week of trading.
yeah,
It did all right though, I tell
yeah.
you.
But again, when these positions do eventually close, I will load I will probably load the EA Academy set file.
Yeah.
At the moment, it's those settings are my own based on watching the video, Petco's video. So might not be
That's been
accurate.
that's for Infinity.
Yeah, that's Infinity.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. But it might also depend on I watched on the weekend a video with Petco. It was a podcast. Petco,
yeah.
it was on Algo, but some guy from Australia had actually flown over there and
Oh yeah,
it was an interview. He's sort of like a coder and they're talking about what they were using, which coding programs to
yeah.
find the best.
Oh
I
yeah,
mean, it was a bit over my head, but it was interesting listening to it. So,
yeah.
um, hey, but anyway, um, yeah, so I got to work out what's happening with the Euro USD one. That's all. Right. So NZDs, NCAD. Rightio. Now that's definitely one that would have been a good trade to take out of there. See where it went blue and up. That was on the Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it would have been, and then we'll see where it turns, whether you get out or not. Anyway, NZDCHF. So they're taking opportunity here. So this is now high to low. This is a good opportunity here, probably NZDCHF. So if that changes, see it's coming out of the 25. You've only got, I think, I don't know, if that was the last. No, it can't. It normally have a thing there. I don't know where the last open is. Open and close. Anyway, Um, this would be potentially a good trade to take. It might dance around, but we're talking about it buying back up again. Right, NZD JPY. Again, here, wait, maybe when that changes and then, or get out the 25 and get into the buy on that. Because New Zealand has been so flat, now looks like it's starting to fight back a bit. NU, same. Now, this is where a trade would be good to take. All these New Zealand ones now. Um, Singapore, Japanese yen. Again, this is looking like one to take for the buy if it comes up and changes there. UCAD, we've got UCAD. It looks like it's still buying.
Yes.
Right?
What are we in on
I think
terms?
we're in Eternals. That's right. I think.
They're in a buy. I'm in a buy.
Here, let me have a look. S in a buy. So that's all right then. That little pullback there, it's like we would have taken a trade, pull back. I don't know. Yeah, would have got into a trade, then it's pulled back. Now we're just waiting for it to push further up. We'll see. I mean, one of the things I think, you know, this podcast I was talking to, the guy, I was thinking a lot about you, Darren. He was
Yeah,
talking about, look, if you put the EA, it's about trusting the EA. He said you
yeah,
don't need to muck around with it. If you've done all the work for it to have it set up properly, then let it do its thing.
yeah, yeah,
They all go into drawdown, all of them.
yeah, yeah.
You just got to leave it do its thing and
Mm,
watch it do its thing. That's all he was saying.
yeah.
Interesting. All right, USD CHF, and that's sort of in the middle, so you wouldn't be playing around with it. And again, it's got gold 1, 2. This may disappear, this gold thing, and keep pushing down. So you can't guarantee that's a move back up. Okay, UJ. Um, and that looks like we're going to move that over here. That looks like that's buying back up again now. And like we've got 1, 2, 3. If it changes the color there and you're coming out of that 75.25, you could take that buy. It depends on, I don't know what you're in, but anyway, USD,
Mm.
Singapore, it depends. I don't want to move that from here yet because I don't know if that will stay there or not. And then on gold, we haven't put it onto the gold. Yeah, that's pushing up here. I don't know yet whether we put it up, but that's I'll have to put it there because that's pushed up to there. Yeah, so we'll just see. It looks like it's going to push further as well. Crazy amount, isn't it? Look at it.
Overall.
And silver, up it goes.
Yeah.
See, that's also too. I'll move that up now. That's where that is. So until it changes and moves, go back down. I like this, what Tom's got. It's
Mm.
very nice, very smooth. Okay, Bitcoin's gone to 123. How's that? Mm, wow. Put up there.
So are they still in shutdown in the US then, or?
Yeah, I think so.
Mm.
Yeah, yellow, the orange man's holding out, and so are the Democrats. Well, I don't know. I saw a post. I think Tom might have put it in. The orange man's big ballroom construction still continues in government shutdown, but then all the military are not being paid. I
Yeah,
wonder if they get back pay if they, anyway,
yeah, yeah.
they were just, yeah. And then oil has sort of dropped back. It's down to 60. Look at that. Yeah. So it's going to drop down further and further and further. We'll see. I think that's up here. I think that's where this indicator went, but it's not now. So we're going to just put it on there. This is how you got to adjust them. Anyway, so there you go. That's the full lot. It looks like a couple of trades coming up. Look at those NZDs anyway.
Yeah.
So anyway, I'll have to email that Euro stable crowd and find out what am I doing? Was there any? Oh, he's gone. Okay. Oh, back again. Back again.
Yeah, what happened there?
I don't know. You dropped out and
Yeah, I don't know whether it was at your end or mine, but yeah, dropped out, didn't it? Well, I'll download that. Let me see if I can get that set file.
oh, that's okay. Yeah, no
For
worries.
you. Um, if you want to try that.
Yeah, I'll have a look and see what's in it. So, and then I can just replicate it across. There's not many items in the thing anyway, in the actual set file.
No, but Euro stable. It's a 1K account with Black Bull. It's about 12% up. That
Wow.
is that is since when's that? When do they?
Euro stable.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's 104 days. So
Oh, all right. Okay. It's a fair
that's just
while. It's 3 months, 4 months.
so it's doing about 3% a month, isn't it?
Yeah,
Something like that.
good.
5% in the last 30 days.
Wow.
Uh,
And
it's a
you're not using the
drawdown.
light version, you're using the other version because there's two in there.
Yeah,
And you're applying that ES indicator onto the actual chart, and
yeah,
then you've got a 1 minute chart with that ice thing on, the news thing.
yeah. So it did have some drawdown back in beginning of July. Not really had any drawdown since, but it's been really flat since 22nd of August. Looking at this.
Mm. Oh, on Algo.
Yeah, wonder why
Yeah,
that
I
is.
don't know. Don't know. Anyway, mine's been extremely flat, no trades for the
Yeah,
week.
yeah, yeah,
But you had trades taken, so that's why I was checking to see whether it's something that
yeah.
that
So
that
do I
I
bother with a set file and just leave it as it is because I've had trades and
yeah, well, maybe tell us what's in your set file, and then we'll have a look at what they've got in their set file.
yeah,
Because let me just have a look and see. I'll just open up onto my VPS and have a look because I think it's pretty straightforward. You might want to have a look at yours. Um, I've just got auto light is 1, martingale is 1, which means it doesn't do anything. Maximum loss 50%, zero stop loss 50 TP, TRS 50, 50 step, 20 open trades, magic number, and that's it. So I don't know. Maybe the auto lot, maybe having it as 1 is, I don't know.
yeah. It's not letting me copy and paste that to via Messenger.
Maybe send in an email or something. I
Yeah.
I can send you my email, Darren.
Yeah. Yeah,
Where
do
are
that.
you? Hang on. Find that young Darren's. Hmm.
Okay. Um,
Yeah, no worries. I just send you the my email address.
Again, it's not letting me do it. I wonder if they've fixed it so you can't. So I can't.
Maybe you just open it up and take a little screenshot and send a pic of it.
Well, there we go. Try that. I think I've got it.
Oh, that's in our chat, is it?
No, I'm just going to email it to you now. I think I've
Oh,
managed
you're
to.
gonna email it. Okay, yeah, no worries.
I think I've managed to. Right, yeah. There we are. I've just emailed it to you. I think now. So see if that opens. Um, really, you don't know what's in it until you load it onto the chart. That's the thing, do you? It doesn't. When you come to it.
Yeah, it says we recommend before put ER on chart, please download history data. Terminal, press F2 on keyboard, find trading pair, press download and restart terminal. Yeah, I don't know. It's as weird as weird. Where is it? Experts. Yeah, it doesn't. It's saying it's automated trading enabled. Uh, I don't know. This doesn't. Hmm. Well, that just. Yeah, no, it baffles me of what it is. But anyway.
Yeah, well, when you get to it, I'll just I'll try that set file.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, Tom's there. Oh gosh.
He thinks
Okay.
it's joining for 8 o'clock.
Yeah. Yeah, he's been. Good day to you, Tom.
Hey guys.
How you going? We're just about to finish. I messaged in the group. I'm on daylight savings now.
Oh shit.
That's okay. We went through all the pairs. I really like your fibs. Yeah, just looking at it.
Okay.
There's a few pairs there that potentially for this week. Um, some that you were probably in that were good. Yeah, I missed you on what would have been your Thursday.
Yeah,
Uh,
I'm actually not in any at this moment.
yeah, that's right. Yeah, no, I'm looking at potentially once the market opens, we'll see what. So you might have taken some last week.
No,
Darren and I have
I'm
been.
not in any.
Yeah, but you might have taken some last week.
No.
Oh, you
I mean,
didn't?
I put some trades on, but nothing panned. So I
Oh,
didn't
right.
take any.
Okay. Okay. No worries. Yeah. Well, there's a looks like a few potentials for this week anyway. So, um, or if they pan out. So I like
Yeah,
it the fact
exactly.
that
So,
yeah, you're looking at your gold indicator within the fib, looking at the trend bar change, the color, and then taking it out of the 25 or the 75, and yeah,
right.
just
So when we get a chance, I guess tomorrow, I'll go
yeah,
through a couple tricks I discovered over the weekend, actually,
sure.
using that fib.
Oh, you mean in trading
Telltale
couple of
signs, so to speak.
telltale? Okay, telltale signs. Okay, right, yeah, good. All right, and then Darren and I have been talking some EA stuff as well. So,
Okay.
um, two of my EAs were taking, so we got three, two of them were taking trades and fine. And one just didn't take any trades, so I don't know what's happening. Darren, what can you have a look at what you actually got in your set file currently?
Set file currently, yeah.
Yeah, in Euro stable, if that's okay. I've
Yeah.
got a couple of minutes and then I've got to go because we're back on bus. School's
Of course.
back. School's back. So
Stay. Externals.
yeah, Euro stable.
Um,
Depends on what the set
Unity.
file. Did
How
you
many?
do that history thing that they were saying to do before you put it onto the chart? You probably can't remember.
Um, yeah, kind of a Euro stable. So I'm trading at Euro USD. That's the one, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah, gosh. Yeah. So I'm running the version 3.3. Are you
yeah.
on the EA Lite then?
No, I was, but I changed to the
Right.
Euro stable.
Yeah.
What?
3.3 to this.
Yeah. What number auto lot have you got? Have you got a 1.0?
Let's have a look. Um, the auto lot is set to 10.0.
10.
Yeah.
Right.
Um,
Not 1.0,
no,
10.0.
it's 10.0. So maybe that's something to do with it. Just can't open anything.
Okay, yeah.
What's
Then
everything?
the Martingale's 1.0,
Martingale is 1.0.
whatever your max percent. Yeah, that's all right.
Maximum loss in percent 50.
Yeah.
Um,
Stop loss.
stop loss 0.
Yeah. TP 50,
TP 50.
TRS 50,
Yeah.
step 50,
Step 50.
max open trades 20.
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right then. Um I'll just change that. Let's just see if the 10 makes the difference. Why we got 10? I don't know what I got 10.
Um,
I don't know. That's not what the set file is that Aerostable files.
see, I
Yeah,
think
yeah, it doesn't tell me. It doesn't give us a set. It actually doesn't give me any set file.
well, it doesn't. They don't necessarily come with a set file. They just sort of default
Well, some of them
settings.
do.
Some do, yeah, yeah. Some do, some don't. It's just sort of default settings. So, but I wonder if it's to do with the. I don't know. Is it to do with the auto lot? I don't know.
Yeah. Well, if I go back to the email they
I mean,
sent.
it's not been opening huge trades or anything. I mean,
No, no,
so
no, no, no,
it's set to
no.
10.0, but I think I did contact the developers about this.
Yeah.
It comes back to me now, and I think there's a or did
Well,
I?
nowhere here does it tell us what to put the set file at. It's just saying that I think it was just saying I gave them the two account numbers, and that's fine. Then I got the thing, but they're just all information in. We just changed auto lot and max loss settings. That's what it says.
Yeah.
So what do you change the auto lot, and what does auto lot mean? Yeah, okay.
Um,
Yeah, okay. And I don't know, you don't put anything in the DX because it's not telling it's not checking the license back. I don't know how that all works, but anyway.
no. So
Yeah.
when it says
Anyway.
website, does it say back into your inputs again? Does it say robot
Yeah,
forex
yeah,
pro?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's
Yeah.
got that in there.
Yeah. Yeah. Robotforexpro.com. Yeah. Anyway, I changed it to 10 and I'll see. I don't know what the 10 means. I gotta find out. We'll do that, but it might take trades this week. We'll see how we go. Anyway, I gotta go. Sorry, gentlemen. Sorry,
Well, it was
Tom.
taking, just to let you know, it was taking
Yeah.
trades at
Yeah, what lot size?
so look, history.
I've just got it on a demo just at the moment. I just
Yeah.
wanted to make sure it was working, so that's why I do the
On those
demo one.
settings, it's been taking trades at 0.03
Yeah,
on a
okay.
3K account.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
So
3K
0.01 per thousand
pound or pound? 3K
pounds.
pound. Yeah, yeah.
Pounds, yeah.
Yeah, well, I've got a 5K Aussie account, so it's probably not quite as much.
Yeah.
Okay. So with 10 lots, okay. When it
Yeah.
says auto lot 10, but one might mean it's nothing because the martingale, when it's one, it means it doesn't use martingale.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I don't know. All right, I'll have to get
Okay.
back to them or you've sent me you've sent me that set file
Yeah. No, I haven't.
from
I haven't
oh go.
loaded that on mine yet. I did those settings just by watching the video and that sort of thing. So I need to have a look at that set file.
Did you email it to me?
I did, yes.
Mm.
Let's have a look. See if it's sent. Okay. Yeah, the email is sent. It was sent about sort of
Okay, let me just see whether
seems to have gone okay.
whether it went into spam or not. Oh, it did. Darren,
Yeah.
it went to spam, mate.
Sending you spam.
Yeah, mate, you dirty dog. All
Yeah.
right. No preview. Download. Let's have a look and see what it is. Oh, I can't look at it. Yeah, okay. I got it though.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. So I've got that as a download now.
I mean, look, I may just leave my settings as they are because it seems to be doing all right
Yeah,
for me.
yeah, 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 no worries. But I want to see what it's got. That
Yeah,
would
yeah,
be nice to actually have a look at it.
yeah.
Um, but you can't open it unless you drop it on.
That's right. You got to drop it on and then,
Yeah, yeah. That's
yeah.
okay. That's okay. No worries.
Okay.
At least maybe I might be able to might take trades. I'll just leave it at the 10. I've copied what you've got in yours,
Mm,
so we'll go from there. And their set file might be exactly the same. You never
yeah.
know.
Yeah.
All right then, Tom. Sorry about the disappointment. Tomorrow will be an hour earlier than now, or a bit
Yep,
more than that. Is
11
that all right?
o'clock. Yeah, that's
11.
fine.
11 for you. But then when you go off daylight saving, then it'll change again.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine.
Yeah. So I think for
I,
Darren,
I I
it's
didn't
the
have my
end of October.
computer on. I didn't have my computer on until just now, so I didn't see the message.
Yeah, yeah. No, it's no worries. No worries at all. Sorry. But we'll have a look at pairs tomorrow. At least the market will be active and we'll be able to see what's going on.
Sure.
And I'm waiting to find out about those little things that you, or the preview things that you might be able to share with us. Because I
Sure.
do like, I said today to Darren, I said, I really like what you've set up. It looks really good.
Yeah, it's clean and simple, huh?
Yeah, and keep you out of all those little, well,
Yep.
potentially out of all those little ups and downs in the middle and only
Yep.
getting more of the trend. So it's more of a trend following process, which is good.
Right.
Okay.
That's exactly what I wanted was just something simple, which is going to just put me in the right direction.
Mm, mm.
I
All right
got away
then.
from the tight stop losses and went
Yeah,
directional instead.
yeah,
I'm having much better results.
good. All right. Until tomorrow. Ciao.
All right. Take